तो चारों बंद हुई, मैं हरि से मिलूं कैसे जाए, हरि से मिलूं कैसे जाए, गली तो चारों हुई, गली तो चारों बंद हुई.
So Mirabai is saying that this inner universe, infinite universe, is inaccessible to me. Why? Because all four gates, all four passages are closed. They're closed. So how can I go and meet my Hari, who resides here at Singularity, Bindu? How can I go and meet him? Because all four gates are closed. So brothers and sisters, loud and clear message that we all have infinite universes here, which has a Bindu, Brahm residing at the center, and which is enclosed by four gates and passages. और ये जो four doors हैं हमारे इस inner universe के, ये कौन से सूक्ष्म चार द्वार हैं, ये आपको पता चलते हैं when you get initiated into the science of Brahma Gyan. Four forms of experiences that Sadguru gives you. Divine light experience, divine cosmic sound, music experience, Shabd Brahma experience, and fourth is Amrit, divine Amrit experience. और आप जब इन चार experiences पर, चार forms पर meditate करते हैं, regular meditation after Brahm Gyan Diksha, then these four experiences act as passages, doors, gateways through which you enter inside your inner world and reach out to this central Bindu. This is the secret. और जिनके पास ब्रह्म ज्ञान का दीक्षा साइंस प्रोसेस नहीं है, what is their condition? Mirabai, saintess of India, what she says about those people, let us listen.
ऊंची नीची राह लपटीली, ऊंची नीची राह लपटीली, पाँव नहीं ठहराए, पाँव नहीं ठहराए, सोच सोच पग धरूं जतन से, सोच सोच पग धरूं जतन से, बार बार डिग जाए, बार बार डिग जाए, गली तो.
So Mirabai is saying the paths of this inner world are so intricate, so complex that I just cannot walk. I just cannot walk in this inner world because path is so complex. So what to do? She's asking what to do. And then in her life, she finally finds the solution, ultimate solution. And what is that solution? Let us listen.
मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, सतगुरुदेव बताए, जुगन जुगन से बिछड़ी मीरा, जुगन जुगन से बिछड़ी मीरा, घर में लीनी लाए, घर में लीनी लाए, घर में लीनी लाए.
So what Meera is saying as an ultimate solution, brothers and sisters, this is our real home. घर में लीनी लाए. सृष्टि के आरंभ में जहां से चले थे, जिस सिंगुलैरिटी से हम सब, हिरण्य गर्भ से जिससे निकले थे हम सब, एक दिन लौट कर वहीं जाना है, वो हमारा असली घर है. That is our real home. और एक दिन लौट के जाना है उसी सिंगुलैरिटी में, फर्स्ट माइक्रोकॉस्मिकली थ्रू साधना, ब्रह्म ज्ञान साधना. Microcosmically we have to reach out to our real inner home, and then macrocosmically after death. So that's what Meera is saying. But how? She's saying this solution has been given to me by whom? Satguru Dai Batai, a real spiritual guru of the times. I am again telling you, not any guru just who gives you mantras or chantings. No, actually the yardstick of a true spiritual guru is this, that he activates your Brahmarandra, gives you the experience of infinite inner world, infinite cosmos, universe inside. And then when you meditate regularly, brothers and sisters, then there comes a point, then you reach to your real Bindu, inner home, your real ghar. And those great Brahmagyani sadhaks like Kabir Das, who got this science and who explored their inner world, inner universe, what they have to say.
या घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, या ही में सिरजनहारा. या घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, या ही में सिरजनहारा. या घट भीतर सात समंदर, या घट भीतर सात समंदर, या ही में 9 लाख तारा. या ही में 9 लाख तारा, या ही में सिरजनहारा.
Thank you, sister. So, Kabir Daji is saying, yes, I have seen the infinite inner world universe within me and its scenic beauties. I have seen that inner universe within myself.